Hey everyone, it's Mark for Windows Central, and here's a look at the new Dell Latitude 7400 2-in-1, the world's smallest commercial 14-inch 2-in-1 device. The 4-sided narrow border Full HD display helps make this design 25% smaller than the previous generation. For comparison, take a look at the Latitude 7400 2-in-1 next to the Lenovo X1 Yoga. The size difference is noticeable. The Latitude 7400 2-in-1 is also crafted from machined aluminum and has diamond-cut edges, which makes it very attractive. When it comes to ports and connections, the Latitude 7400 2-in-1 includes two USB Type-C ports with Thunderbolt 3 and power delivery, full HDMI 1.4 port, two USB Type-A ports, SIM card slot, SD card reader, and a lock slot. There's only one option for the display, and it's a 14-inch 16:9 Full HD screen that's anti-reflective and supports inking and touch. Above the display is a front camera which supports Windows Hello. A new feature Dell is introducing is called Express Sign-In. They've included a sensor that detects your presence and automatically wakes your system. It also detects when you walk away and locks, so your data stays safer. You also have options for the fingerprint reader on the power button and a smart card slot. Under the hood is 8th gen Intel quad-core processors, up to 16 gigs of RAM, up to 2 TB SSD for storage, and Intel integrated UHD graphics 620. You can get up to a 6-cell 78 watt-hour battery, but we don't currently have numbers for the battery life. We'll make sure to test that in our full review. For those who need to be always connected, Dell has options for built-in LTE with the Qualcomm Snapdragon X20 for AT&T, Verizon, and Sprint. The Dell Latitude 7400 2-in-1 will be available in March 2019, starting at $1,599 US. Let us know what you think of this new laptop from Dell, and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel because we have a lot more videos coming for CES 2019. I'm Mark for Windows Central. Thanks for watching.